car to fly my remote control helicopter. I went with my Uncle Rich and Aunt Linda. Aunt Linda said Uncle Rich couldn't buy one for himself, so he bought one for me. I tried to make it fly, but all it did is roll in the door. Uncle Rich held it up. Uncle Rich threw it up. Uncle Rich threw it up again. Uncle Rich keep on throwing up. I gave it a kick. Ouch, I lost a finger. Just kidding. My finger was hurt, so I gave my sister a toy. And then it broke. The end.